Good evening, Rhondda. Nathaniel Parker here. I've been asked by your MP, the wonderful Chris Bryant, if I would read a poem for Good Evening, Rhondda. So here we are. In my hastily assembled sound booth at home. It is a bed cover and an ironing board, and I come fully hirsute, unlike one of your earlier readers, Matt Lucas, who was attempting to grow a moustache. Well, I have the moustache, I have the beard, I even have the top knot. So there we are, you see. I am going to read you William Blake's The Lamb. I thought of Welsh lamb, so I thought, how lovely. I am partly Welsh, so that accent comes from somewhere, honest. Please, not too much online abuse. Anyway, here we are. It is a beautiful poem. It's one of my favourite poems ever, and I learnt it as a young boy. There's a beauty to it that I hope touches you too. Little lamb, who made thee, dost thou know who made thee? Gave thee life and bade thee feed by the stream and o'er the mead? Gave thee clothing of delight, softest clothing, woolly, bright? Gave thee such a tender voice, making all the vales rejoice? Little lamb, who made thee? Dost thou know who made thee? Little lamb, I'll tell thee. Little lamb, I'll tell thee. He is called by thy name, for he calls himself a lamb. He is meek, and he is mild. He became a little child. I a child, and thou a lamb. We are called by his name. Little lamb, God bless thee. Little lamb, God bless thee. Good evening, Rhondda.